Hello everyone, welcome back in Cool IT Help. Now in this tutorial I will tell you about the installation of a very cool and a classic theme, Edge on the Ice. Let's get started. First of all, copy this link from the description and open your favorite browser. Go to the address bar, paste it here, hit enter. Now you will be landed on this Netbeans plugin page. Right this place you can see the snapshot of the Edge on the Ice, and this theme is very classic and easy, and if you have a long working hours with the Netbeans, so definitely you will prefer this theme. And this is the download button. Just click on once and this file is very short. This is downloaded. Now I'm putting this in a separate folder to avoid the confusion, because we have to integrate this thing in the Netbeans 11.2. Now in the second step we are going to install in the Netbeans 11.2. I tried this, it is working fine, so I'm sharing with you. Here's the Netbeans 11.2, and the left hand side you can see in the project tab we have a simple Java project for the demonstration. For the code section area, text fonts and all this stuff is set to the normal Netbeans theme. Now open the tools menu, go to the plugins option, click once and you will see this plugins window. Okay, right here you have to go on this downloaded tab, and there's a button, click once, add plugins, and this browse window will appear. So you have to select that downloaded file, which is .nbm in an extension, and click here in the open, and you will see that file is appear on the left hand side with a checkbox, and you can see the details on the right hand side. The tagline is easy on the eyes. And finally we have to click on this install button. Once you click, the installer pop-up window will appear. We are ready to go. Click on the next, and this is the license agreement page. You can read the license and click next, and this will show you the verified certificate, because this plugin or this theme is self-signed by the author. That's why it is showing it, and this is fine. You can proceed with it. Click on the continue, and this will ask you to restart your IDE. Right this place, when you click on the finish, this will not restart your machine. It is asking to restart only the Netbeans IDE. So I suggest you to proceed with the finish with the first option. Okay, we are good to go. Click finish. Now the Netbeans 11.2 is going to restart it. Here the Netbeans IDE is loading right now. Okay, Netbeans is loaded, but I hope you guys were wondering that theme is not applicable. In some cases, if you have done some particular settings or particular theme setting in the Netbeans, then the theme suddenly will not be applicable. We have to manually go inside the options, then we have to apply on this Netbeans. So we will do one more additional step. Go to this tool menu and then come to the bottom and select the options. Then this options window appear. We have to go here in the appearance tab, go to the last tab, look and feel. Then you have to select the last option, EZ charcoal, which is the Edge on the Ice theme, and this is appearing in the different name. So we have to select this one, click on the apply, and then click on the OK. Once you click on OK, you will see a restart message. So we have proceed with the restart. Now the Netbeans IDE again restarting, and this will take a few seconds for applying that theme on the Netbeans 11.2. So we are waiting for that. Once the loading is finished, we will be able to see our new theme on the Netbeans. Okay, Netbeans loaded. Right now you can see, guys, the marking also appearing, Edge on the Ice, and this is the look and feel of the theme. And right here we will check the code section area of the project file, Java application 1 right here. So guys, we are able to see nothing is applied here, because there are some previous settings individually has been done by me. so we have to apply the default settings for this code section area, which is related to the Edge on the Ice theme. So open the options, go in the font color tab, and right this place you have to select this option EZOBSIDIAN. Okay, then select the default, go here at the apply, then click OK, and you will see the complete theme is applied. And now this is full-fledged theme apply on all areas of this Netbeans 11.2. And this is very classic and cool theme in the Netbeans. If you have a long working hours on the Netbeans, so definitely you will like this cool theme for your eyes. So guys, if you found this video useful, please like this video and please subscribe my channel, or you can press the bell icon so you will get the latest video updates on time. And guys, for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.